Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we'll be looking into polygons. So this is the last basic shape that we'll be looking into this SVG series. So polygon is like very similar to the last shape that we have seen, which was the polyline, but the polygon is a closed shape. So we'll understand what is the closed and the open shape. So let's plot a two or a 3 points. For example, let's say this is our first point, this is our second point, and this is our third point. So we'll see how the polyline works here, and we'll see how a polygon works here. Okay, so which are like similar points to both polyline and polygon. So what polyline does is like polyline, okay, polyline just connects these dots, and that's all. And we see this particular shape which is open on one side, right? Because the starting point here and the end point here which is not connected. However, polygon connects all points. However, the last point is connected to the first point, and we'll see this into the coding example as well. So if you are looking for the difference between polyline and polygon, which is like one is open shape and one is closed shape, everything else remains same. So both the shapes connects the dot, and like you can have the different shape based upon the polygon. So as we seen, we can create any shape like this, but if you give this dimension, now this point will be connected with the first one. So that is the difference. So again, if you are doing something like this with the polyline, but if you are doing giving same dimension, this point will get connected. Okay, let's get back to our example. So let's take an example where I have given 3 points here, and you can see these 3 points got connected, right? And if I make it as a polyline here, if you see the last point getting opened, so that's what polygon does. So you can create a rectangle out of it, like giving, say, let's start with the 10 10, and let's give a 90 and 10. Let's give a 10 as a the padding from all sides of the SVG, and let's say third point as a 90 90, and last point is a 10 90. You see a rectangle getting pointed, right? And let's say make it as a polyline, and you see the open area. So that's the difference between polyline and polygon, but just wanted to touch what polygon is. So I'll attach this link to the description, and you can go through all possible attributes and the support that it has. Generally, polygon and the polyline is supported through all browsers, and like a polyline, it has the points as an attribute to give a points. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.